So are you that sort of a person who loves to wear lashes but doesn't know how to wear it? Are you that sort of a person who thinks that wearing lashes is like a war? Girl, got you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I used to think that how can people wear lashes? The entire procedure was so dramatic for me and I used to be that one like मुझसे ये कभी नहीं होगा. So a little bit background story. So first my sister started wearing lashes and then like somehow or the other she told me that it's not that much difficult, you just have to keep some pointers in mind before applying them. So yeah, she helped me a lot and yeah, now I can say that I can wear them pretty nicely. Okay, so now today it's not going to be a proper tutorial like how you can wear lashes, but yes, here I will like to talk about a lash set. Okay, so without speculating about the product, let's see the product. So this is the product. Oops, khali hai. Oh my god, wait. Okay guys, so here is the product. It is called Calilis. I don't know, Calilis. Sorry for the pronunciation because I don't know the exact pronunciation. So this is like magnetic eyelash and eyeliner kit. Okay, so here you can get 10 eyelash pair. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, 10 eyelash pair, and along with that you will get 2 eyeliner, like magnetic eyeliner kit. They are like you can see more sort of a glue, if that makes any sense. This was the outer packaging, and on the back you can just get the details of how you can wear them and blah blah blah. So this is a cruelty free and 100% vegan brand. Okay guys, good job.
The lashes and 2 eyeliner glues, like you can call them eyeliner glue, whatever you want to, but before applying them you need to wear eyeliner, I feel that. But yeah, you can skip the eyeliner part and you can wear them, but yeah, I like to wear eyeliner and top of that I like to apply them. Okay,
No, I guess like both of them contains 5 ml maximum. Okay, and here, sorry for the sound, and here you will be able to see lashes. Okay, there are various sorts of lashes, like who will wear this sort of lashes? They are so extra. Okay, this one and this one, they are very extra, and like on like the top ones you can wear them, they are like pretty nice. And the one which I am wearing, you can like also wear it like on special occasions. And yeah, this one is the most natural one. Let me see, this is the most natural one. You will be able to get the most natural look by wearing them. Like people will not call, oh my god, your lashes are looking like you will be flying within some time. No, they will not say that. So these two are the most natural one, and I'm wondering like who will wear them, like this and this. They are over dramatic. And now the most interesting part, the pricing. Okay, doggies, please stop, please. Like before buying them I was a little bit skeptical because the price is like more on the higher side. It's like 1000 something. Okay, 1064 I guess. Like I will definitely mention it like somewhere here or here, I will definitely mention it. But yeah, if you wear lashes on a daily basis, or like you like to wear lashes, then you can try this because you are getting so many options. So yeah, you can opt for it. Now the most interesting part, how I apply the lashes. Before putting the lashes, you need to put eyeliner, eyeliner and mascara. So I'm done with my eyeliner part, and then I'm just going to keep it for at least a minute, and then I'm just going to use the mascara. So immediately if you're going to put the mascara, it can damage your eyeliner. So yeah, I'm not taking that risk. Just waiting. Okay, so I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl one. which I've showed in my haul video. If you haven't seen the haul video, please do go and see it. I'm done with my mascara and then I'm just going to put the lashes. As you can see, there are tons of options available and I'm not sure which one I should try. So generally I switch between these two. Okay, so yep, you need to cut them first according to your eye, like according to your eye shape and size. So I have already done with this one, so I'm not going to do anything with this one.
Okay, so this one I'm just going to cut it. Okay, so you can see there are like magnets all over the eyelash, so you have to be very careful like while cutting. So it's very dense, so I'm just going to cut it from here, I guess. Yeah. Can you see? I'm just going to cut it like itna. I'm going to cut it. Okay, be very cautious, guys. Whoops. Okay, so I'm done with the cutting.
So yeah, so I'm just going to cut it. So these are like the magnetic eyeliner type of a thing. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply it on my eyeliner. And like while applying it, you have to be sure that the inner corner and the outer corner gets more product, if that makes any sense. So yeah, let's apply. And you have to, I can see myself, wow. Okay, so you need to keep one thing in mind while applying it. You need to apply it as close as possible to the lash line. Okay, and just let it for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Okay, I've been using lashes since a while now, but I have to admit one thing, that while applying it I still get very nervous. Can you see? Done. You can see like how a lash can change the game. You can see this side and now just see this side.
God. So good, right? That's why I love lashes, but I have to tell you, like wearing lashes जो लोग पहनते हैं वही समझते हैं. Like it's a tricky thing, I have to admit. Like you need to be so apt, like so apt.
And I feel that a lash can entirely change your like eye game. Like it can make or break the entire look. So now you know how I wear them. I thought that I should incorporate this part in the video. So like let me show you how I remove the lashes. मतलब लगाने में आपको जितना मेहनत लगता है, उतारने में उतना ही आसान. I mean, like the process of applying it, it's very complicated, but the process of removing it, it's like the most easiest thing you can do. And like when you are wearing lashes for a longer period of time, and after that when you are going to remove it, the after feeling is like incredible. Okay, just very easy. Okay, just see, very easy. No, very hard.
Very hard. You just need to hold them from the inner corner. I prefer it to start from the inner corner. Some people do from the outer corner, but yeah, very less amount of people do that. The accurate way is to do from the inner corner. Okay. It's that easy. Okay, it's that easy to remove them.
Like wearing them, it takes around 15 minutes or 10 minutes, or like sometimes like whenever, like when you are a beginner, it takes like around 30 minutes. But yeah, removing seconds, just some seconds. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I would like to take a moment and thanks each and every one of you for showering so much love to me. And I just want to tell you guys that it means a lot to me. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification, and you'll be able to see hell lot of good fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. And yes guys, stay happy, stay positive, and show some love. Bye.